Start with the band around your ankles, toes front, a little hinge forward over those thighs, draw that belly in. Take your hands either on your hips or open up that chest and open those elbows back behind you. We take it single step. Out, in, out, in. There you go. Keeping your toes front. Step, step. Take it two, touch, touch, that's it, two, yes, back to singles, tap it, out, in, big open, woo, big press, make sure those toes are front, belly is in, you have 4, 3, 2, and take it 2. Woo! 2. That's it. Back to singles here. Tap it out. Boom, boom, tap, tap, tap. Big open, big open. 4, 3, 2, let's take it 4, 3, 2, and 1. You take it 4, big open 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. You got it 4, 3, 2. Can you single it out? Tap. Sometimes you get my arms in there. Let them flow. For 3, 2, 1, here we go. Double it up. 2. All right, guys, here we go. Singlet, you are almost done. We take it out. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, press, press, press. 8 more here for 8, 7, 6, 5, last 4 here, 3 like this, 2, and 1. Take one leg front, one leg back, hinge over that leg, tap it in, press back, in, press back. I like to use my arms here, press back. So all the weight is on your front leg, your front glute is what's working. Double time, boom, boom, press back, for 8, 7, 6, 5, extend that back leg long for 3, for 2, switch it other side. We press, press, press. So see my front leg is bent, my back leg extends, long, push, push, push. For 8, 7, 6, 5 here, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take the band over those knees. Nice wide position, toes turned up. Squat down, press up, press up. Dragging through those heels, squeezing up through that butt. As you go down, press those knees out wide. Breathe through this motion. Get your head out of it. Exhale. 2 here. Now this last one, hold it down. Palms right to your heart. Press those knees out as you pulse down. Down, think of your butt sitting straight back. Nice flat back. Press those knees. For 4, 3, 2, let's take it full range up. There you go, dig deep, press. Knees out, press. You got it. 2 more. Here we go, hold it low. Pulse it down. Knees out, 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 out. 4, 3, 2, and 1, we stand. Squat down, pushing off your right leg. Lift up. So that stabilizing leg, press off of it, right here, press. You are reaching and extending through that left leg. Pressing it long, squeezing in your glute. Low, lift, low, lift. There you go, heart rate is up. Press. 2 more, you got this. Take it to the other side. Here we go, squat down. Press up, squat, press up. Driving through that supporting leg. Reaching through that lifting leg. Squeezing the side butt. Woo! Low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Give me 4 more here. 4, 3, 2. Squat both legs down, press up. Both legs down. Press those knees wide. Hold it down and pulse to finish. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Butt and thighs shine. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope to see you soon. I'm Lauren Heffes, and please subscribe. Peace.